Purpose of this C program is to find length of the string using pointers. Here we will not use the built-in library to find the length of any string. We are going to write our own code using pointers to find length of the string. We have to remember three things about strings to do this. First one is strings are represented by character pointers or by character array. Please remember, this is the first one that we have to keep it in mind. Strings can be represented by character pointer. Second one is variable name of strings hold the address of first element of the array. That is, the variable name itself points to the address of the first character of the string. This is the second point that we have to remember. And the third point is strings are stored continuously in the memory, and at the end they are appended with null terminator. So when we read these strings and when we encounter this null terminator, we know that we have reached the end of string. This is what we will use to find or calculate the length of string. With these 3 points about strings, we will go for our coding portion to calculate length of the string. Let us declare string as an array, str, array of size 100. We will get the character string array from the user for which length has to be calculated. Here we will use the pointer method to calculate the length of the string. After calculating the length, we will display the count of the string length back to the console. Hence this current print statement. Okay, this is to print length of the str, which is the input we receive from the user, and we will declare a function length of string which will calculate the count of strings and display or provide it to the printf statement to display to the console. Now we have one more thing to do, that is the major one. It's declaration of the function length of string. It shall accept pointer to the character and return the integer, which is nothing but count of the string will be returned by this function. So we will have a variable count initialized to 0. We will run through a while loop. Please remember the third point, strings are continuously stored and at the end they are appended with null terminator. So we will exit from the while loop when we see through this null terminator to get the count or the length of the string. We will also increment the pointer to the string. Remember, PTR is the pointer to the character array. Now the calculated count is returned back to the printf statement. We will execute this program for the results. Yes, it is compiled successfully, and let us provide welcome as a string and its length is 7, which is perfect. We will do one more time execution and let us provide hello, and my calculated length has to be 5. Yes, it's fine here.